Unfortunately, we were not able to baseline this VB completely stock, but we were able to baseline it. We did 2 baseline pulls with factory tune after we had added the modifications. The new VB ECUs are pretty safe and they have compensations for closed loop fueling and all that. We're still logging it, no major knock or anything like that out of the ordinary. But you can see basically from stock tune, full bolt-ons to custom tune, gain roughly 90 horsepower. So huge gains on this car, completely transforms it. So here we have a stock 2022 VBWX with just a exhaust, no tune. We did 3 baseline pulls on it. That was average power. Here is this 2024 WX TR after tuning. And then here's a 2022 with a few more small mods, a little more aggressive tune. So huge gains from some basic mods and tunings on these cars.
Brand new. Why are you putting PB black on it?
I didn't have to. Came right off. Yeah.